10 Best Real Ways to Make Money Online in 2020. Before starting video, it is request to all friends kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon to receive all notification, like, share and comment on video. You're here because you want to learn how to make money online. Maybe you want to create a separate stream of income to pay a few bills? Or, you're looking to replace your current job? Whatever your reason, the internet has created a ton of different ways to earn money. However, making money online can be lucrative, as there are many scams and ineffective methods out there. The goal of this post is to help you avoid that fate. Below you'll find over 35 different ways you can make money online that actually work. Some involve creating your own website, but you'll also find methods that use the built-in audiences of existing platforms. How to make money online with a website or blog. One of the longest-running ways to make money online is through your own website. You pick a niche, generate traffic, and then sell that traffic your products and services. With your own website, you'll have a lot of freedom with how you can turn a profit. Below you'll learn things like, how to make money with affiliate products, selling your own physical goods, courses, and a lot more. Keep reading to learn 10 different ways your website can help make you money. But, before you start building your first profitable site, you'll need a place to host it. Here at Hostinger, we have plans perfect for those just getting started online. 1. Make money with an awesome blog. A lot of people start a blog as a way to express their views or as a creative outlet. Yet there are many cases of people not only earning a living from their blogs but even turning them into massive companies, like the Huffington Post, HuffPost homepage. Not every blogger will hit these figures, but if you take the right approach, you have a solid chance of earning money with your blog. With a blog, it's important to have a long-term vision. You won't make money right away. But, as your writing improves, your skills grow, and your site picks up more traffic, it's a definite possibility. If your goal is to start a blog that makes you money, here are some tips to keep in mind. Choose an evergreen topic like health, finance, relationships, hobbies, or personal growth. Always aim to try and create the best resource on any given topic. Learn about SEO and ranking your site in the search engines. Network with popular bloggers and other influencers in your space. The above tips will help you get going in the right direction. Once you have an authoritative blog that gets a large volume of traffic, you'll have many opportunities to monetize your site, like paid advertising, selling your own courses and products, selling affiliate products, and much more. Most of the methods of making money from a website can all apply to a popular blog you've created. 2. Start an affiliate website. An affiliate site is built upon recommending or reviewing certain products. Then, when a reader buys that product through your link, you'll receive a commission. Although it might not seem like a big revenue generator, there are multi-million-dollar sites based on affiliate revenue alone. For example, Pat Flynn of Smart Passive Income generates a large chunk of his monthly income through affiliate marketing. Wirecutter is also very profitable. That the New York Times bought the site for $30 million. To start your own affiliate website, join an affiliate program that fits your site's niche. For instance, if you have a blog dedicated to computers and technologies, you can become a Hostinger affiliate. Hostinger Affiliate Program Banner. Take Bitcacha, for example. This website writes reviews about hosting services, VPN tools, and site builders. Every time it mentions a product, an affiliate link is included in the post. After signing up for the Hostinger affiliate program, you'll get access to the affiliate dashboard where you can track all of your campaigns. Then, use the provided marketing materials, like banners, ebooks, and infographics, to increase sales. While Hostinger's affordable plans help to ensure a high conversion rate, there's always room to maximize your gain. For that reason, it's possible to ask for suggestions and advice from your dedicated account manager. They'll be happy to help you. 3. Build an e-commerce website. E-commerce sites have been exploding in popularity in recent years. With the prevalence of platforms like WordPress and WooCommerce, creating an e-commerce site couldn't be easier. Earn money online by creating e-commerce websites. If you prefer dealing with physical products and selling something tangible, then opening up an e-commerce store could be a great fit. There are 2 different methods of running a successful online store. Creating and selling a niche physical product to a dedicated group of buyers. Purchasing cheaper goods manufactured in foreign countries, repackaging them, and selling them at a markup. The first approach can be very successful, but it does require a passion for the product and the willingness to do a ton of research, product development, and testing. But, the massive success of stores like Skinny Me Tea, Beard Brand, and Ratio Coffee show that you can reach the heights of success with your e-commerce store. If the first approach seems a little risky for your first online business, then you might consider the second option of reselling popular overseas products. This method involves sourcing a popular product from a platform like AliExpress, repacking the product, and selling it through your own storefront. Beyond selling the right products, you'll also need to think about how you're going to ship your products. You can personally handle shipping and order fulfillment yourself. Or, you can employ a popular method called drop shipping, where the manufacturer handles it for you. 4. Resell web hosting. Reseller hosting is another great way to make money online. In fact, we offer this service on our sister project Hosting24. Earn money online with reseller hosting. The basic idea of reseller hosting is providing a dedicated server space, which you can use to build your very own web hosting brand. It allows you to create cPanel-powered web hosting accounts, set custom resource limits, disk space, bandwidth, and similar, conveniently manage all accounts using WHM. Since cPanel is the best-known tool to manage a hosting account, it will be easy to attract new users. The server uptime is also monitored by an in-house administrator team, which ensures good uptime and availability. Last but not least, a dedicated 24/7 support staff will be there to help with all your questions and queries. The following perks will let you focus on user acquisition, rather than the technical aspects of server management. If you're familiar with how web hosting works, reselling it will be a walk in the park. Who knows, you may become one of the web hosting giants if you put enough effort. 5. Create a digital course. It seems like digital courses are everywhere today. So, if you have valuable knowledge that someone would pay for, this could be a great option. In addition to having your own courses, learning platforms such as BitDegree offer a chance to become an instructor. It's a unique opportunity to pass your skills and experience to thousands of people eager to learn about new technologies. Become a BitDegree instructor. Digital courses can be produced in a lot of different formats, from simple PDF downloads, all the way up to self-produced video courses that have dozens of hours of content. Creating online courses can be a very powerful path. Since it's under your control, there's no limit to how much money you can make. Like most other methods on this list, digital courses can be integrated into most styles of websites, including blogs, e-commerce sites, and even affiliate sites. If you're looking to create a digital course, but haven't settled on your topic, it's a good idea to poll your audience. Often, they can tell you exactly what they'd like to learn and would be willing to pay for. For example, the online course Learn Scrivener Fast is completely dedicated to helping writers learn the ins and outs of the software Scrivener. The creator of this course, Joseph Michael, uncovered the need by reading the comments on Michael Hyatt's blog. And it has since grown into a six-figure business. 6. Email marketing. If you've been online for any time at all, then you've heard the expression, "the money is in the list." This expression couldn't be truer. Example of a subscription form: the sooner you start, the more people you will reach. Think about how many emails you get in your inbox every single day. A lot of these are probably from email newsletters you've signed up for. Some you can't wait to open every day, while others, you wonder how you got on their list. Creating a niche email newsletter can be a great way to reach a targeted group of people and create a solid and sustainable business. Million-dollar businesses like The Skim have been built on the back of a daily email newsletter. Best of all, starting an email newsletter doesn't have to be difficult. With tools like ConvertKit, Drip, MailChimp, and Aweber, it's never been easier. Here's the process for you to follow. Decide upon a niche you'd like to serve, and the style of your emails, choose an email marketing provider, create a simple landing page and drive traffic to that page, send regular emails to that list. The goal of your email list is to build trust, so they open your emails every day. Once you have a sizable list that opens your emails, you have multiple ways to monetize that list, like selling your own digital products, offering a membership course, sending your subscribers to affiliate offers, selling sponsorships. 7. Freelance. On sites like Upwork, there are a ton of freelance sites full of hungry clients who are looking for someone with your skill set. There's more demand for freelancers than any time in history. Homepage of Upwork. Some of the most popular freelancing sites include Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Guru. To succeed on these platforms, it's important to establish a niche. The worst thing you can do as a freelancer is brand yourself as a generalist. Since the competition is so high, you'll want to brand yourself as the only solution to a specific type of client. For example, are you a WordPress developer for SaaS companies, a cryptocurrency writer, or a startup founder ghostwriter? With your niche established, it's time to build out your profile, create some relevant samples that show off your skills, and start pitching. If you're serious about making a living on platforms like Upwork, then spend some time digging through the site Freelance to Win. This site is dedicated to helping you become a highly paid freelancer. 8. Sell your products on Amazon, FBA. Amazon is one of the biggest online retailers, with over 1 billion products currently listed on the site. We already mentioned creating a niche e-commerce store above, and this approach is similar, but the core focus is on using the Amazon platform. With this approach, you find products that are selling well on Amazon, and you source cheaper versions of those products. Then, you add your own branding and resell the products. You have the opportunity to sell these products yourself or work with a manufacturer who will customize these products and dropship them to your buyers. If this sounds interesting, then check out the resources below to educate yourself further. The 4 secrets of long-term Amazon success, including FBA. Want to make 6 figures from your Amazon FBA business? Here's how. Amazon FBA success. I sold $40,639 worth of physical products in the past 30 days. 9. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the world's largest search engines. But, instead of searching for websites, people are looking for entertaining, fun, or informative videos. Hostinger's YouTube channel. You can monetize your YouTube channel by using their advertising system or sending your viewers to a website you've monetized in another way. You can think of building a YouTube channel in a similar fashion to creating a website, except you're creating video, not written content. If you feel comfortable in front of the camera, and want to try your luck creating videos, then you'll need to figure out what your channel will be about. Typically, there are 2 types of YouTube channels out there that are successful at least. Entertaining content. This style includes things like web series, comedy videos, pranks, reviews, video game walkthroughs, and a lot more. Educational content. This style is more geared towards how-to phrases. For example, how to do SEO. Or, how to create a tomato garden. If you have useful skills or information you want to convey through the video, then this is a solid option for you. Once you've decided what kind of channel you're going to start, it's time to start creating. First, you'll need to create a YouTube channel and think of a catchy name. Then, keep the following tips in mind. Use a high-quality camera to record your videos, experiment with different styles, formats, and editing techniques until you find one that gets traction, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and images to get people to click, create a consistent video publishing schedule, so followers know when to expect your content. 10. Become a freelance writer. If you like stringing words together, then making money as a writer can be a great way to get started earning money online. Even with no experience, you can start making money as a writer pretty quickly. The first step is establishing your niche and deciding on the type of writing you'll take on. For example, will you create in-depth blog posts for SaaS sites? How about website copy for real estate agents? Or sales emails for health and fitness websites? There's a near-endless supply of content that needs writing. Your big decision is what kind of writer will you be. Once you've discovered your niche, it's time to create some samples and start pitching clients. The fastest approach is using freelancing platforms to find relevant clients. However, you can also create a few samples, upload them to sites like Medium or LinkedIn. If you're serious about becoming a freelance writer, then check out the resources below. The complete guide to getting started freelance writing from scratch, how to launch your freelance writing career, how to become a freelance writer on the side and land your first freelance writing client, how to get paid to write as a complete beginner. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on video. Thanks for watching.